In this issue of our mini-series on saltwater wading, we cover the different types of clothing available, as well as wading accessories, and how they are used. So let's first take a look at the main types of wader clothing available. Thigh waders, also known as hip waders, are not as commonly used in sea fishing as other types of wader clothing. They tend to be more popular for types of fishing such as game fishing in freshwater streams. Despite that, they can absolutely be used for shore fishing, but would be more suitable for targeting certain species found in waters that are more shallow, such as bass. These kinds of waders should only be used in water below knee height. When wearing these types of waders, it is better to make use of the support straps that come with them. These connect to your belt and provide a more secure and comfortable fit. One of the advantages of thigh waders is that they are lightweight and compact. Not only do they add less carry weight when walking to a mark or fishing in a mobile way, they also take up less space in the boot of a car, or in a wardrobe or shed at home. They also tend to be more comfortable to wear, as they don't cause much restriction to your movement. They also don't affect your body temperature in any big way, as they only cover a small amount of your body. Being smaller and lightweight, they are also more convenient to slip on or off when needed. Compared to thigh waders, waist waders are more commonly used when sea fishing. Waist waders are usually used in water depths anywhere up to the mid-thigh level. As with most types of leg wear, they can be worn with a belt for better support and comfort. Though waist waders are bigger than thigh waders, they are also fairly lightweight and compact. They keep the entire bottom half of the body completely dry. As they don't cover the top half, they offer decent torso movement for things like casting and walking. Chest waders tend to be the most commonly used waders for sea fishing. They allow you to wade in water depths that are above waist level. Chest waders are supported by shoulder braces. Chest waders are the heaviest type of wader clothing, so they take up more space when transporting. They also offer less flexibility for movement than smaller types of waders. Chest waders are the best types of wader for keeping you dry, as they cover most of your body and also offer better protection from the weather in general. Being larger, they can also come with potentially more accessories, as we'll be discussing in a moment. So let's now take a quick look at some of the types of accessories available that you can use with your waders. Certain waders often come with areas of reinforced material. This can be handy for making your waders more durable and last longer. This is particularly useful as waders are known to experience a lot of wear and tear, and can as a result require repair or replacement within as little as their first year on occasions, especially if waders of certain materials are not used as intended. Examples include areas such as padding around the knees or seat of the waders, to allow you to kneel or sit without causing any damage. Other useful accessories include gravel guards. These are sleeved areas that fit around the ankle area of stocking foot waders, to prevent stone or sand from entering your wading boots. This can help prevent internal wear of your boots and socks, and is particularly relevant if you are wearing stocking foot waders, as once a hole wears through in a neoprene stocking, your waders will no longer be waterproof. Many waders also come with standard waterproof pockets for carrying things such as bait, as well as rigs, or your choice lures. These also can include watertight pockets for valuable items, such as smartphones. Other pocket types include insulated hand warmer pockets, to make those cold sessions on the beach a little more comfortable. Pull cords can also be used on multiple areas of your waders, providing an exact fit. In addition to pull cords, wading belts are also available. These have the double function of helping to prevent water from entering your waders from above. Some belts can also come with additional pockets or pouches, as well as back support function. Whereas this video mostly just covered additional supplementary material, we actually have 2 other videos relating to waders that most will typically find more useful and interesting. These include how to effectively choose chest waders before buying, as well as a video on wading safety. the links of which are showing now. Don't forget to check our channel page to find lots of other videos on conditions, tackle, catching specific species, and more. Thanks again for watching.